Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign in to your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, tap on the profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen and your profile page will load up. Now tap on the hamburger menu at top right and you will be in your settings page. Once you are inside the settings page, scroll down towards the bottom, select help and then tap on report a problem at the top of the page. Here select report problem without shaking and you will be asked if you want to include logs with this report. Select whichever option you prefer and then start typing something like please help me to unfollow all of my followings at once. Once done, tap on the send button and you will likely receive a reply from Instagram in a couple of days. So that's basically how you can unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.